Hi, I'm Dr. Mike for Life Extension, and there's no better time to know your numbers because our annual lab test sale is going on right now. We get lots of questions about lab tests, so today we're answering the ones we hear the most. First up, why should I get a lab test? It's all about prevention. Labs provide valuable insight on things like nutritional deficiencies, diseases, weight loss, and more. Lab tests help you to be proactive. Now, no prescriptions needed. They're convenient with many at-home options. All right, next up, what test does Life Extension offer? We have over 230 different labs, tests for nutrient deficiencies, male and female health panels, allergies, and more. On lifeextension.com, you can search by our best-selling labs and specific health categories, or search them all from A to Z. One new lab is our KBMO gut barrier panel, which takes a close look at your digestive health. This test, taken at home, checks for leaky gut issues. It measures key markers involved with regulating intestinal barrier function. Now, your hormones can tell you quite a bit about your health, and our new hormone and urinary metabolites assessment profile can give you that insight. This at-home urine test shows how your body is making and processing hormones. As an example, it can show you whether you are producing unsafe metabolites. If you've been suffering from allergies, it's time to find the cause with our new respiratory allergy panel. This is an at-home finger stick panel that tests your body's immune response to over 30 different common and uncommon airborne allergens. So do you ever wonder what your true age really is? Well, our new True Age Complete Epigenetic Age Profile can provide the answer. This test measures your true rate of aging with different biological age assessments. It gives you access to your raw epigenetic data, and you'll get updated reports in the future. So how do you get started? Well, ordering is quick and easy. Simply call the number or visit the website listed on your screen. Take your form to a local lab or collect the sample at home. You get to review your results with the wellness specialist at no additional cost, 7 days a week, or bring a copy to your next doctor's appointment. And here's a final thought. Conventional lab tests can cost up to 10 times higher, and during Life Extension's lab test sale, you can save up to 25%. I'm Dr. Mike. Thanks for watching.